Welcome to the first video for the enduro bike building project. This was the first frame that I designed and built. This YouTube series is going to be about Mark II, basically trying to make an improvement on this. I had a couple of issues which I couldn't really get over, so I've just redesigned the whole lot. It's going to be steel this time around. It's going to be going from this Mark I to the Mark II, which you can kind of see here. This is a 1:1 scale printout I did of it. It's a steel design. Linkage is completely different. The geometry is pretty similar, quite long, slack. I'm pretty tall, so it should fit my style quite nicely. The reason behind the linkage change is mainly because, this main pivot is very long chainstay. Because of this, I had a lot of force going through that all the way to the main pivot, and all this linkage is quite compact. So the load was very direct in one area. It wasn't very spread out. The other change or big improvement is all to do with the chain line. So this Mark I had a very forward chain line because that's where the linkage I designed sat, and it felt like it worked quite well when I was looking at linkage, but it just doesn't work in real life, and for some reason it took me building the bike to realise that it really doesn't grip on the chain very well. So I did bodged a carbon chain guide there, which makes it usable. But at the end of the day, it's a big flaw. So the new design, you can see just the main pivot here. That's going to have a much better line to the chainring. Before this frame was actually this frame. I think back in 2018 I went on a TIG frame welding course in Kent, and this was the outcome, like an aggressive hardtail, 27.5 wheels, quite long, fairly slack. So doing this really gave me the craving to do a full suspension, which is kind of what led on to doing this carbon enduro frame, because I work at a composites manufacturing company, so they allowed me to do certain things. So I got to it, designed the frame, the tooling, helped to make the tooling, and made every single piece here. Best thing to do is check out the GMBN tech video. That's got a lot of information on this, a couple of riding clips as well. So now this bike's just going to go up on a wall somewhere. Really won't be riding it for much more really, because I'm going to try and get the new one up and running as soon as I can, and this whole video series is going to be following the whole lot. Hopefully you'll be interested. Until next time, I think we'll probably be unboxing some tubes from Reynolds. So see you next time. Cheers.